Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if JBL TuneBeam not connecting. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, enable Bluetooth. For this purpose, you have to go to your device Bluetooth setting, verify that Bluetooth is enabled. This allows your device to detect the earbuds. Charge the earbuds. Place earbuds in the charging case. Connect the case to a power source and charge for at least 2 hours. Low battery can hinder connection. Reset the earbuds. Place earbuds in the case. With the case open, press and hold the touch controls on both earbuds for 10 seconds. Wait for LEDs to flash, indicating a reset. Clear previous pairings. For this purpose, you have to go to your device Bluetooth setting, locate JBL TuneBeam and select Forget. This ensures a fresh connection. Initiate pairing mode. For this purpose, you have to remove earbuds from the case after resetting. LEDs should flash to indicate pairing mode. Refer to the user manual for manual pairing instructions. Pair with device. In Bluetooth settings, scan for available devices. Select JBL TuneBeam from the list. If prompted, enter Tetra0 as the password. Update firmware. For this purpose, download and install the JBL Headphones app. Connect earbuds and check for firmware updates. Updates resolve non-connectivity issues. Avoid interference. Turn off other active Bluetooth devices nearby. Move away from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or similar sources of interference. Test with another device. For this purpose, you have to use another smartphone, tablet, or laptop to test connection. If it works, the issue may be with the original device. Contact JBL Support. For this purpose, you have to visit JBL Support website. Inquire about warranty option or repair. Customer support can provide tailored assistance. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.